What's going on, guys? Got Decelation.
What's up, peeps?
And back on the factory 535 hot rod truck. And today is more of the same. I'm working on wiring. Brian is sanding.
I'm sanding some body fill.
Yeah. But
it's a step closer.
It is a step closer. So, yeah.
I might be able to not show you guys some sanding videos here at some point in the future.
Oh, I mean, we're getting close. I mean, that looks like it's coming out smooth already, so. But yeah, I want you guys to also, I'm going to tell it at the beginning now, like, comment, subscribe if you like this type of content. But yeah, we're going to get back to work now, all right?
Yay.
Yay. All right, welcome back, guys. Experiment. Let's see it. Let's see it. Whoo! That is filled. So
that's probably why it was blown all over me.
Brian finished the top part and block sanded it out.
Yes, see, look, for those who kept saying get Brian a 12-inch block sander.
Yeah, I do have one.
I did the finishing. You can actually see the
marks.
The finishing marks there. That was whatever grit this is. I think it's 320 or something in there.
220.
220.
Yep.
So we'll get one more higher and.
But yeah, this is smooth as butter. Like perfection. I love this. This is gonna look amazing. We still got to do the bottom portion, but he did get the top done. And while he was working on this and clouding the neighborhood with sanding dust, I was working on ding 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 more wiring. So I did finish the rear harness, got that routed. I rerouted my fuel pump trigger for the swirl pot, the ground for the engine as well for the ECU, because there's for the Phytech they said both heads need to be grounded. When I don't know if you guys remember back when we were trying to start this and we were troubleshooting, so we had to run a dedicated ground wire directly from the battery straight to the back of each head. So that was going through the middle, kind of just tossing there. We kind of just threw it in there to see if it'll work, to make see if that was the issue or not, and never really put it in a very good neat order. So I rerouted that, got a nice little thing. It's actually right here. I need to reconnect this one. The front harness I did pretty much finish. This is the driver's side headlight and turn signal. This is the fan. This is the passenger side headlight and turn signal. All I pretty much have to do is just finish looming these and this will be ready to go. And I do have the actual headlight and turn signal wired for the driver's side. I just need to do the same thing for the passenger side. So that's pretty much where we're at right now. But yeah. Anything else for today, Brian?
Don't wear a black shirt if you're doing a sanding of body fill.
or laying in the garage on the floor that had a bunch of sanding and body fill done in it. Either way, we fucked. But yeah, there's a few more things I need to do for wiring. We're gonna catch you guys tomorrow because it's hot. It's long. It's been a long day. Anything else for the people for tonight?
Nope. Blower
for the people. I don't know if you can read that. Yeah, version 2 is getting a blower. We did talk about that. Version 2 will be getting a blower. We've actually been kind of making plans and figuring it out. So, yeah. All right. I don't know if we're...
I don't think the rest of the car can handle that.
No, I don't think it can either. All right. Catch you guys tomorrow. Welcome back, guys. Brian?
What's up, peeps?
What are we doing today?
Same thing we do every day. Pinky. Sand fiberglass. No, this should be the end. I have four spots of tiger hair left to finish up. That was the low spots. It's kind of hard to do that when it's sitting on the ground.
Yeah.
And once those are done, I clean all that up and throw some body fill on there and let that dry and see what happens.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it should be the last major sanding. Besides the touch up on the doors, but that's pretty easy.
Yep.
We're getting there.
We are getting there. And I did do some work off camera. I stayed up pretty late actually last night doing some wiring, but it actually turned out to be very fruitful. So the entire, from about here up, all the wiring is done, neat, tied off, and connected. So if you look, the headlight connector is down right there next to the AC lines. This is my fan connector. And on the other side, my headlight connector is also down there. You can kind of see it where my finger's pointing. My other headlight connector. I have all the wires tied off, going where they need to go. I had to shorten this harness. That one was a good length. And now they're all routed this way back into here. The only thing I have left to do is I put the connectors on both the fans. I need to route these. I got something new. You guys are going to see that probably in this video because I'm probably going to work on wiring that next. But how I'm gonna trigger these fans, because these fans are going to be manual. They're not going to be automatically triggered. So I'm going to trigger them on and off. And yeah, so we're going to just work our way back. And then probably going to work on the taillight harness as well, with and attaching the accessories onto the bed sides as well, like the fuel cap, the tail lights, all that stuff. So once we slap it on, it's just going to pop right on. Yeah. Good, Brian?
We're good. We're gonna fix the heater control valve. We got a new one of those, so that's after all the sanding's done. We're gonna redo that line and move some stuff around to make it look neater up here, and then
yeah,
we should be ready to go.
Yeah, it's I think we're alternating on what's sanding, because like I think when he's done with the body and we paint that, I'm gonna work on the doors while he relocates.
Does some more plumbing.
Yeah. Yay.
Yay, plumbing.
Oh, I still got to work on the trans tunnel and the e-brake. Damn it.
And the e-brake.
Yeah, I really need to do that e-brake. We've been talking about that for quite some time now. Yeah, I need to do the e-brake. So I'll probably, when I finish finalizing the wiring, I'll do the e-brake and the trans tunnel, because that kind of goes together anyways. It's all in the same area. You ready, buddy?
I am, bud. Let's get rocking.
time to get to work. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys?
What's up, peeps?
So, we're in the twilight hour of sanding on this.
Yeah. We got the 2 front seams to do, and I got to do some more touch up with the panel bond, or not the panel bond, but the fill stuff to catch some low spots. And then this should all be done.
Nice.
Some hand sanding to smooth it all out.
Oh man, that's already really smooth. Nice. Yeah. See, this is gonna be So Brian, he's finishing up his.
We had to finish before the bearings in my orbital sander die, because they're getting there.
Yeah.
I would turn it on, but it would just be a huge cloud of dust, and nobody would be able to see me.
Is it Phil?
Almost.
Oh.
Yeah, that was only 2 seams worth.
Okay. But yeah, so Brian he's got that tasking to go. And should I show him the amount of progress I made right here?
Oh yeah, you probably should. They'd like to see that. They're tired of watching me sand, so.
Alright, so Brian agrees, you guys get to see this. But bam. So you guys remember the weird crazy bundle of wires that I had? Never mind this just needs to be loomed. That's just the dash harness, but I've got everything zip tied nicely. This is the only thing that comes from the engine or the transmission bay straight into the cab. Everything else nice and snug, zip tied down, not going anywhere. I have all of my body connectors running right here, so very easy location. I only had to go to one spot, and this is for the coolant temp sensor, the front harness, the rear harness, everything, the fans, fuel pump, everything runs right there. So I'm very happy, and kind of did this on the other side, and that's for like the AC trigger and everything. Did a lot of wiring, and right now what I'm working on is this. Where's the switch? Oh yeah, switch panel. So I have this switch panel, and it's powered from here. And what this will allow me to do, I'm gonna trigger my transmission and oil cooling fans. So found a place I'm gonna put them. They're gonna be on the dashboard right here. And now I'm just running all the wires and everything, getting that routed. And the beautiful thing about something like this is I'm only running 2 circuits so far. So lots of room for activities and extra mods. We could probably do your big ass stop sign LED in the bed.
Go indoors.
No. No. But yeah. Yeah, so we're going to keep just cranking through. I'm very pleased with the way the wiring came right here. And like half these wires that you see exposed, I just need to put sheathing on them. And this one, I'm trying to figure out if how I'm going to use these ones, or I'm going to cut them down. But I think I need to do some testing. One of these wires is going to come in handy for this because I need to have an accessory trigger. So that's what I'm working on right now, guys. So stay tuned. I'm going to get back to work. Welcome back, guys. Brian,
What's up, peeps?
how we feeling?
Dusty.
Yeah.
Little dusty.
So, you have just like one more little spot left to do.
There's a couple little touch-up spots. I need to put some more body fill in where it just chipped out or whatever it was. So, got that to do. That'll be dry in like 20 minutes. And then we'll finish sanding those, and then this will be ready to clean up and hit with some paint.
Yeah. Also the sound deadening as well.
Yeah.
Gotta do that. Ugh.
Lots of de-dusting because there's a lot of dust over there now.
Yeah, we'll probably take it out into the driveway and just we may even hose it down, honestly. That might not be a bad idea.
That'd be a lot of area to wipe with that
wax and grease. I'm still gonna have to wipe it with that, but that'll make it a lot easier.
Bottle of that.
Yeah. And then I just finished my extra switch. You guys, sorry, you guys gonna have to wait till next week for the we're gonna turn on the fans and make sure it works. But I just got the main wiring done, so got this. I just need to zip tie it, clean up the wires down there, but they are attached to the battery, which is attached to the breaker. It's attached to that. So all I gotta do, plug everything in, check it out, make sure it works. Savvy. But yeah, we're gonna call it a day because we're tired. Yeah. But you guys have a good one. I do appreciate you guys watching this video. And again, like, comment, subscribe. And in the comment section below, everything we use in the garage, all these tools and everything you see us do, I have a Amazon link for it. So go ahead and check it out. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.